welcome to the School of Engineering Celebration of Excellence. I'm a school director, Dr. Yanakopoulos. I would like to acknowledge that I'm currently in the traditional lands of the Sanki, Esquimalt, and Husainich peoples, whose historical relationships with the land continue to this day. I would also like to acknowledge that you're joining us today from many places near and far, and acknowledge the traditional owners and caretakers of those lands. Due to the advice of public health authorities, we're once again holding our celebration virtually. Today's online festivities are very important because it provides us with an opportunity to acknowledge some of our students who have achieved remarkable accomplishments during their time at UBC Okanagan. Our agenda will include individual discipline recognition and awards. We'll hear from some School of Engineering administrators, some special guests, and close with a list of the graduates from the class of 2021. Before we get to our awards, the School of Engineering's Executive Associate Dean, Dr. Rehan Sadiq, wishes to pass along his congratulations.
Good day, everyone. My name is Rehan Sadiq and I'm an Executive Associate Dean, School of Engineering. Before I begin, I would like to acknowledge that I'm situated at the unceded traditional lands of Okanagan Nations. I moved to this place with my family 13 years back, and we really connect to this place. I really appreciate the keepers of this traditional land. Since the pandemic started, it has taught us some lesson. The most important lesson which we learned is to be resilient against unexpected situations. I am very confident that it will empower us to deal with very complicated and complex situations in the future. As a faculty member and as an administrator, I'm really proud of your accomplishment. It doesn't matter. You have been in the school for 4 years or 5 years, whichever path you have taken. It have prepared you to the outside world. You have left an impact on our school. On behalf of the School of Engineering, I would like to say thank you and wish you all the best for your continued success in the future.
Thank you, Dr. Sadiq. Let's turn our attention to the Engineers and Geoscientists of BC's Certificates in Engineering. One certificate is awarded in each engineering discipline to the graduating student who shows the greatest promise and has achieved high academic standing in their discipline. And one overall certificate is awarded to the student with the highest academic standing.
Hello, I'm Dr. Tannett, the Program Chair for Civil Engineering. I am very pleased to award the EGBC Civil Certificate to the student who has achieved the highest academic standing in the civil program. Congratulations, Amy Lee.
Hi, I'm Dr. Chen, the Program Chair for Electrical Engineering. I'm very pleased to award the EGBC Electrical Certificate to the student who achieved the highest academic standing in the electrical program. Congratulations, Yulin Shen.
Hello, I am Dr. Sidiaka, the Program Chair for Mechanical Engineering. I'm very pleased to present 2 awards today. First, the EGBC Mechanical Certificate awarded to the student who achieves the highest academic standing in the mechanical program. Second, the Canadian Society for Mechanical Engineering Gold Medal, which recognizes the top graduate and mechanical engineering students of each Canadian university. Congratulations to this year's recipient of these awards, Isaac Alexander.
I would like to thank the Canadian Society for Mechanical Engineering and Engineers and Geoscientists of BC for this opportunity to speak to you all today. We are here to celebrate the completion of our degree. It has been a wild ride, more cortisol in 4 years than I could have imagined. Late nights melting away into early mornings without enough sleep to separate the two. We've each given more than we knew that we had. But together, we have done it. I hope you each find a meaningful way to mark this milestone. Looking back, I would like to thank the professors and TAs who invested in us and pushed us toward excellence. To my friends and colleagues, thank you for the memories and friendships that will carry on. You are an amazing bunch. To my parents, thank you for all the adventures that we have shared together and for always being there for me. I love you guys. To my siblings, thank you for your love, and thank you for not neglecting me when I neglected you. To John, thank you for teaching me a wonder of machines that carried me through my degree. To my partner, thank you for your love and for holding my hand through the storm. And to my partner's family, thank you for taking me in and supporting me these past couple of years. Lastly, I would like to acknowledge a couple of the factors that got me here. I recognize the advantage of studying at a world-renowned university in my native language and culture with the financial support of my government. I am grateful that I was never mistreated because of my race, my gender, my cultural identity, my accent, things from my past, or any other feature of myself that I couldn't change, should I even want to. I also did not experience significant financial stress while at university. This degree is a formidable undertaking without any additional struggles. For that, I would like to acknowledge anyone who has overcome these barriers in order to be here today. You inspire me. Had it been a level playing field, I think somebody else might be here today, recording this video. In closing, to all of my colleagues celebrating, today I am proud to be graduating by your side. Tomorrow, may we find creative ways to apply what has been hard won to leave this world better than we found it. Bye for now.
Lastly, we have the EGBC Overall Certificate, which is awarded to the student with the highest academic standing. Congratulations to Rohan Ikebuchi.
I'd like to thank EGBC as the recipient of their Achievement Overall Certificate. It's a great honor, and so thank you, and thank you for being involved with UBCO. Thank you to professors and TAs and all the staff at UBCO for helping me and the rest of the students get to this point. I think it's a great achievement, and I'm proud of it. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sumi Setika, the Associate Director for Graduate Studies at the School of Engineering. Congratulations to all our award recipients and the entire class of 2021. It is my honor to present the Doug and Ruth Pierce Engineering Capstone Prize. The award in memory of Dr. Spiro Yanakopoulos recognizes the team of fourth-year students in the School of Engineering who placed first in the Capstone Design Project course. This year's winning project was Team 52. The winning group includes members Jack McClelland, Matthew Dussau, Mihi Dosi, Todd Chatter, and Zach Carrolls.
A real-time machine vision system able to integrate into existing recycling infrastructure.
Our novel solution is a fully modular system that makes no modification to the current conveyance system.
Interior Freight and Bottling Depot, IFBD, in Vernon, British Columbia crushes hundreds of tons of aluminum cans on an annual basis. Using our modular mounting solution combined with our machine vision system, we have been able to achieve up to 97% counting accuracy in ideal conditions.
It is our hope that the further implementation of AI systems in the recycling industry will only quicken this process and contribute to a more sustainable future.
Next, it is my honor to present the Dr. Spiro Yanakopoulos Memorial Award in Engineering Leadership. This award is offered by the family and friends of Dr. Spiro Yanakopoulos, Professor of Engineering, in memory of his outstanding professional and personal accomplishments. It is given to the student who has demonstrated excellence in both academics and leadership. Congratulations to this year's winner, Sadaf Savanian.
My name is Sadaf. I'm the third year PhD student and I'm honored to receive the award in the memory of Dr. Spiro Yanakopoulos. I would like to thank his family and friends. They were well-deserved fellow nominees and I appreciate the awards committee for this amazing recognition. I would like to thank all the graduate students who supported me to be their representative in the Engineering Graduate Student Society to follow up their RA&TA concerns. I want to thank my friends, family, and my husband who were always there for me. My special thanks to my supervisor, Dr. Kevin Golovin, for all his supports and encouragements through my PhD journey. Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Gordon Springet is an engineering graduate hailing from Burnaby South High School. During his time at UBC, he received the Student Leadership Award in his third year. To this day, he continues to help lead and mentor our emerging engineering talent. Recently, Gordon Springet completed his 42nd year engineering career, retiring as Technology Research and Development Manager at Chevron, which included 9 years on a joint NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory Technology Board. He has traveled to 20 countries working in upstream energy and is a life member of the Society of Petroleum Engineers. He returned to Canada last summer after an absence of 28 years and currently resides in the beautiful Canadian province of New Brunswick. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Gordon Springet, who is here to present the generous award in the memory of his father, the Dr. Gordon Springet Senior Award in Engineering, the School of Engineering's most prestigious donor-funded student award for a very well-deserving student.
Thank you for the very kind introduction, and good afternoon to all. To set up the actual presentation, I will briefly address the 3 questions I'm constantly asked about this award. The first question is, why at UBC Okanagan? I could have gone back to McGill University, where Dad graduated about 7 decades ago, and I did talk to my extended family about this. In the 1960s, though, Dad brought the family to Wood Lake every summer for a number of summers. Then, as a result of a number of different career choices, he ended up here in 1988 and became the Dean of Applied Studies at what was then known as Okanagan University College. During the 1990s, throughout that entire decade, he, along with a number of others, spent a significant amount of time campaigning for the formation of a UBC campus in the Okanagan area. And obviously that was successful, and all of you students here today, you are here in part because of his effort. So that's why this university, and that's why in the Okanagan. When the university and I first had discussions about this award, I was asked to consider to make it a scholarship, but that wasn't in the cards. It wasn't meant to be. It wasn't really sort of how Dad thought about things. He believed that, you know, every Canadian who has self-responsibility for themselves and others can actually achieve a university education irrespective of their financial situation when they start out, as he did. Dad graduated from high school in 1947. He went out into the woods and worked in forest industry for a few years and saved every penny he earned so that he would be able to actually go to McGill University, and that's how he paid his way, and he graduated through all those efforts. So that's why this is an award and not a scholarship, and scholarships can be left to others. The third question I get is around the criteria, because it's very different. And you know, the first thing I'll talk about related to engineering is that this is a profession that is more responsible and has done more things for humanity than any other profession. No profession does more. And there's a tremendous opportunity, you know, in Canada to create self-responsibility in a number of different ways that many students here are actually undertaking at this time. And every graduate here can contribute to this goal. This award is not about grades. This award is not about trying. It's all about encouraging and enabling others. Not doing for them, but rather in their actions allows others to be responsible for themselves. Okay, so hope that answers those 3 questions. So on to the award. This recipient stands out in 2 categories, which are really part of the same. The first one is encouraging and supporting lifelong learning through sharing, and the second is enabling others, who in this specific case are then equipped themselves to yet enable others. So I thought this was very interesting and very worthy. So the key elements being someone who helps organize and deliver the Jumpstart program for new engineering students. Never had that in my day. We just showed up, you know, the Tuesday after Labor Day and away we went. The Gearing Up program also didn't have that in my day, which delivers activities to youth in the community. You know, just one undecided high school student who decides to come into engineering program here makes that a success. You know, it's not about the numbers, it's that we encourage people to enter engineering who otherwise may not have done so. And as my dad always said, we can never have too many engineers. Served on a decision board which oversees financial allocation to students undertaking projects and activities, whether it's about competitions, conferences, field trips. and then through leading and coordinating events through the Canadian Federation of Engineering Students. 4 really important activities that were undertaken. So after all of that, please join me in a warm round of applause for this year's award recipient, Benedict Tamondong.
Hi everyone, and greetings from the heart of the River Valley here in my hometown of Edmonton, Alberta. My name is Benedict Tamondong, and I am incredibly honored and humbled to be the 2021 recipient of the Dr. Gordon Springet Senior Award in Engineering. I am a fellow graduate in mechanical engineering, and I wanted to take this opportunity to first thank the Springet family for all of their support for the University of British Columbia and for its School of Engineering. Without them, an award like this would not be possible. I also wanted to take this opportunity to thank my friends and my family, both here at home and abroad. Without people like them, I would not be the person that I am today. They helped me through all of the trials and tribulations that I had to face over the past 5 years, and it's to them that I owe everything that I have today. I also wanted to take this opportunity to thank all of the student groups that I had the opportunity to be a part of within my time as being part of the UBC Okanagan engineering community. That ranges from the Engineering Society, first as first-year representative in my first year, all the way up to the presidency post in my 4th year, to becoming the Vice President Services of the Canadian Federation of Engineering Students this past year. I'll always remember being able to help and advocate and serve for students in this capacity, from helping to create a fall reading week, all the way up to being a part of this national federation representing over 56,000 engineering students across Canada to help bring them professional development in sustainability, diversity, and more. Even further than that, though, I wanted to thank the local and global communities that I got to be a part of, from engineering advocacy to being part of the UBC Okanagan Student Senate Caucus, from being part of the UBC Gearing Up Engineering Outreach Program as a student assistant and as an instructor to help bring outreach to kids all across British Columbia from kindergarten all the way to grade 12. Frankly, all of these came to me just because I chose the University of British Columbia, and I'm so honored and grateful that I got to be part of this community. With that, thank you so much to the school, to the faculty, to the staff, and all of my mentors, and to the class of 2021, congratulations, we did it.
I would like to recognize those students graduating with degrees and distinction. Degrees with distinctions are granted to applied science program students who achieved an overall average of 80% on all 200 and higher level courses. We recognize that consistently maintaining these high academic standards requires much hard work and dedication. So we want to congratulate these students today.
Our final award is the UBC Head of Class Gold Medal. This award is given to the student with the highest GPA in the graduating class. Congratulations to Rohan Ikubuchi.
It's a great honor to be named as the UBCO School of Engineering's Head of Class. And with that honor, I'd like to say a big thank you to everyone who has helped not only me, but the rest of this graduating class get to this point. That includes friends and family, professors, TAs, fellow students, anyone who has helped any one of these students get to this point. Because, as I'm sure all of these students will tell you, it's been a long road, and especially with this last year, it's taken a lot of hard work and a lot of determination and community. And whether it's staying up super late to finish group projects, or cramming last minute for finals, or just working our way through a semester, it's a lot easier when you've got good friends and when you've got support. And so to everyone, I'd just like to say thank you, and all of your work is greatly appreciated. To the graduating class, I'd like to say congratulations. I'm looking forward to everything you guys do in the future, and I'm sure it'll be great. So congrats, and we're done.
Thank you everyone joining today for the 2021 School of Engineering Celebration of Excellence ceremony. On behalf of faculty and staff of the School of Engineering, congratulations to all the members of the class of 2021. We wish you the best of luck in your future endeavors wherever it will take you. Again this year, we were unable to announce the names of each graduate as they cross the stage. Instead, please take a moment to watch the remainder of the video for the list of graduates from the class of 2021. Congratulations again. Please take care.